Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best indoor vegetable garden kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Garden Republic Indoor Vegetable Garden Kit. This is the perfect starter kit for anyone wanting to grow their own vegetables at home. From the moment you plant these vegetable seeds, you can't stop exploring your green thumb. Designed to help your delicious homegrown plants thrive, this exclusive pack from Garden Republic offers a variety of seeds that you can grow all year long. Along with 4 organic heirloom seeds of dragon carrots, Romanesco broccoli, rainbow Swiss chard, and lemon cucumbers, you will receive everything you need to grow the freshest ingredients, indoors, outdoors, or on a patio. This kit also comes with 4 burlap bags with waterproof lining, potting soil disc, and even a pair of scissors. In addition to all these exceptional supplies, you will get a wooden planter to give your kitchen a rustic touch. On top of that, it is equipped with bamboo plant markers for labeling your plants properly and keeping track of growth levels. The whole plantation and setup process is fairly simple. All you need to do is add the included potting soil discs, seeds, and water. Simply let the cucumber vines climb for fresh salads or slice carrots and broccoli for a tasty snack. Grow anything from your favorite veggies to herbs and edible flowers. We're giving this garden kit our best overall award for its delicious veggies, ease of use, and high-quality seeds. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Spade to Fork Indoor Garden Kit. The second kit on our list offers a fun, easy, and sustainable way to grow your own vegetables year-round. This kit from Spade to Fork comes with 5 different types of seeds, including cherry tomatoes, lettuce, carrot, bell radish, and bush bean, making it a great choice for people who want to try out a wide range of plants. Each batch of seeds is tested for germination rates, so you can be sure you will have the highest quality produce ready to harvest in no time. Everything you need comes in the box, including pre-made soil discs and compostable peat pots. This is a great kit for beginners and kids, as the instructions are simple and clear. While this kit doesn't come with a greenhouse cover like some other indoor gardening kits on the market, it does come with an informative growing guide that gives tips and tricks on how to successfully grow a garden, even if you have never done it before. It is the perfect gift for someone who loves cooking or wants fresh herbs from their windowsill. At number 3, we have the Plant Theater Funky Veg Garden Kit. Give your culinary creations a colorful kick with the Plant Theater Garden Kit. This handy kit is great for the gardener lacking outdoor space and comes complete with everything you'll need to grow edible goodies like carrots, zucchini, Brussels sprouts, striped tomatoes, and rainbow chard that you don't typically find at the grocery store. The seeds have an exceptional germination rate and grow quickly, making them perfect for beginners and especially kids who love to watch the process play out. The set includes 5 biodegradable pots, 5 compressed peat discs that expand to 7 times their size when watered, and a detailed instruction manual that gives you some tips and tricks for optimal growth. Just find a windowsill or other small space, indoors or out, and get ready for some Instagram-worthy microgreens. Of course, this would make a wonderful gift, but it's hard to think of anyone who wouldn't love to have one of their very own. At number 2, we have the Hapinest Indoor Vegetable Garden Kit. Cook a fresh and healthy salsa meal with ingredients you grew yourself. Hapinest Indoors Salsa Garden Starter Kit includes everything you need to grow fresh tomatoes and a variety of peppers for making salsa at home. These seeds are all organic and non-GMO, so you don't need to worry about pesticides or harmful toxins. The all-inclusive kit comes with a large soil disc that expands when water is added and provides your new seedlings with the perfect environment to take root. With an added pair of scissors, you can easily prune your unruly plants. You can even use the included recipe cards to experiment with your own signature salsa recipes. With this kit, you can enjoy the pride of gardening from seed to salad bowl. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mr. Sprout & Co. Vegetable Garden Kit. Mr. Sprout & Company is a revolutionary vegetable garden kit that allows you to easily grow 5 full-sized vegetables from seed to harvest in your very own indoor hydroponic garden. The kit comes with non-GMO, 100% organic seeds, including tomato, carrot, broccoli, zucchini, and onion. It is equipped with peat pots, so you won't have to deal with flimsy plastic trays and containers. In addition to peat pots, you'll get a soil disc that expands 7 times and provides sufficient space for your plant to grow. Furthermore, it is suitable for all levels, from novice to experienced gardeners looking to save money on groceries and have fresh produce at their fingertips year-round. The growing tips will help you every step of the way, with tips on how to maintain the perfect conditions for your plants to thrive. It is easy to use. Just add water, place it on your kitchen counter, and watch it grow. No green thumb required. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.